Hi, today we'll be learning Mrs. White Got a Fright, composed by Ying Eng, on the piano. We will start off with a tutorial to show you how to play this song, followed by a demonstration of the piece. Have a delightful time playing this song. Let's start with the first two bars. This is how it sounds like. Before we play, let's clap and sing together. Mrs. White got a fright. Very good. We're going to try it one more time. Mrs. White got a fright. Now I will need you to place your thumb on C. So first I will need you to find two black keys. And both of your thumb is going to place over here. This is C. And you place the other finger one by one on the other key. Alright? Now, we'll be using second finger for both of our hands. Right hand, second finger will be D. Left hand, second finger will be B. So, Mrs. White. Mrs. we're using our second finger, which is D, D, and left hand goes to B. And we're going to repeat this one more time. It will be the second bar. Got a fright. Let's try a slow down version. Ready, go. D, D, left hand, B, right hand, D, D, B. Very good. Now we will look at the staccato. Staccato is the dot below the note and the accent on your left hand. So staccato, we're going to play it short. Instead of holding the note, we're going to play short, like this. And the left hand part, accent, I'll need you to press a little bit harder so that it sounds slightly louder. Instead of the normal pressing, I'll need you to press hard. So it will sound like this. Staccato, staccato, accent. Staccato, staccato, accent. Very good. Now we're going to move on to the next two bars. It will sound like this. You see all the notes in front are staccato and the last note is a accent. Okay, so we will look at the notes before we move on to staccato and accent. Right hand, we'll start with D again and repeat with the D and move on to B. And then your right hand, now we're going to involve the third finger, the middle, 1, 2, 3. The third finger, play E. One more time. D, D, left hand, B, right hand, E. And continue with second finger, D, D, B. Do you notice the D, D, B is the same pattern as your first bar and the second bar? So only the third bar is slightly different, with which you need to play an E with your third finger. D, D, B, E, and continue D, D, B. Now with a slow down version. D, D, B, E, D, D, B. And now we are in the staccato and accent. Staccato, 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 and accent. Let's try it one more time. Staccato, 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 accent. Very good. Move on to the next two bar. It will sound like this. Okay. Do you notice I only use my left hand part, which involves the middle finger from your thumb, 1, 2, 3, the third finger on A and second finger on B. So it will be A, A, B, A, A, B. Let's try the slow down version. A, A, B. Again. A, A, B. Very good. Now add in the staccato and accent. Staccato, staccato, accent. Staccato, staccato, accent. Okay, let's try it one more time. Staccato, staccato, accent. Staccato, staccato, accent. And move on to the last two bar, which sounds like this. will notice it's kind of similar to your previous melody, right? But the ending, instead of 2D, it changed to D, B. Okay, let's start from the previous D, B, 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 a slow down version. D, B, B, B. Let's try it one more time. D, D, left hand, B, right hand, B, with staccato. Slow down version. B, 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 B. Very good. And the last bar. B, B. One more time. B, B,